If you take lemon and cucumber water daily, here is what will happen to your body. 1. You are likely to lose weight. Lemons and cucumbers boost your metabolism and burn unhealthy fats, helping you reach your weight loss goals. 2. You are likely to experience skin improvement. Cucumbers provide essential vitamins and minerals, reducing the appearance of acne and leaving you with a radiant glow. 3. You are likely to detoxify your body. This drink flushes out toxins and supports your body's natural detox processes, leading to improved organ function and overall well-being. 4. You are likely to have improved digestive health. Lemon and cucumber water stimulates digestive enzymes and promotes healthy digestion, reducing bloating and stomach pain. 5. You are likely to benefit from anti-inflammatory properties. Lemons and cucumbers reduce inflammation and protect you from chronic diseases. By incorporating this simple and natural drink into your daily routine, you can experience these incredible benefits and improve your overall health and well-being.